Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be trying out some magnetic gel polishes that are a clear base so you can use them over any colours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a gradient on both nails using these colours, and then do one nail with the silver one and one with the gold one so you can see what they look like. All the products that I use will be listed below in the description box so you can check that out. On this nail I'm going to do a gradient using the gel polishes from Madam Glam. So what I do is I first use one colour and apply that on half the nail. You want to make sure you don't have too much product on the brush. So I'm just swiping the polish down on one side of the nail. Slightly overlapping onto the other half. And now I'm getting the other colour. I'm going to do the exact same, do this half and slightly overlap over onto the other side. And then I'm going to get the first colour again, clean all the gel polish off the brush so it's a clean brush, and just slightly feather on top of the blue, and that blends. And now you can see there's some colour on the brush. So I just make sure to wipe the brush before putting it back into the bottle. Get some more colour on the gel polish brush and start swiping again. Again, I'm just going to wipe the brush on the pad to remove the blue polish off the brush. I'm going to cure that in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Now because I applied it over a white base, the colours pop more. If you're applying this on just your natural nails or a neutral colour, then you might have to build up the coats, but that's one trick, is to apply a white base and then the colours you put on top, you don't need to keep building up the colour because the white base makes the colours pop. So this is a silver magnetic gel polish. I'm going to apply one coat over the nail. It looks like it's just covered the entire colour, but don't worry because we're going to use a magnet now. So I just hover the magnet over. Now you can see how the gradient is in the background, and the magnetic gel polish adds this beautiful effect. And now I'm going to cure that in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. I love how you can see the transition between the grey and the blue with the gradient, and then the silver on top. Now I'm just going to apply a top coat. and cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So same thing like we did last time. When I take the gel polish out the brush, I scrape the one full side. So you can see there's only a small amount since we're only doing half of the nail, so we don't need a lot of polish. So just apply it on one half of the nail, and there's no rush because it's gel polish. It doesn't dry in the air like nail polish. It's gel polish, so it only dries once you put it in the lamp and it cures. Just going to wipe off a little bit on this side. And gently overlap again over onto the purple to just blend the two colours together. So I'm just going to wipe the brush clean and cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to use the gold galaxy, which is the same thing just like the silver. It's a clear base with a gold magnetic pigment. I'm going to apply one coat. I'm not sure whether I want to do the same design on the other nail with the diagonal line, but we can just try it and see how it looks. If you ever do use a magnet and you get a colour, a design that you're not too keen on, you can just always swipe it with a gel polish brush again because it's not cured, and it basically resets all the magnetic pigment. And then you just try again. That's a more straight line, and cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm just going to apply a top coat now. I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And there we are. That's the gold and the silver magnetic gel polishes. I'm quite excited to try them out on different colours because I have a few designs. I think they'll be great for if you want to do a galaxy universe kind of nail. I'm pretty sure you can layer them over on top of each other, so I'll try that as well. And I hope this is helpful if you've got some magnetic gel polishes and you're not sure how you can use them. If you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comment section. I'm always reading the comments and I always reply. Thank you all for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!